Welcome everyone, Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks. It is Wednesday the 6th of July. We are breaking box full-size helmet. She is a 1-box break and we randomed up our 47 remaining boxes. We got box number 47. Just noticed that. We did random team sales for this. On the left, we have already randomized teams. We randomized customers. Alphabetized everybody. Did give you all a chance to trade. You had one trade go down. Seattle for Denver was swapped. Just double checking, make sure nothing else got offered or approved there. So here we go. We're going to see who hit the freebie. Well, Cincinnati is going to get the freebie spot. Wow, looks like we're going to get another nice helmet for you guys. Came out of the gate a little slow, but hitting two very nice helmets here. Our last two boxes. Guys, gonna be something a little different with the Terrell Suggs Hydro Speed Flex, folks. JSA sticker on that one, guys. It's only got the sticker there, but bam, really great looking helmet for you. Guys, a little hard to see there. But bam, going to be Terrell Suggs. Sorry, I'm just getting my damn camera to fucking focus. It's being a pain in the ass here for me tonight. Ouch. Well, that's going to be an SD Tiger hit. Congrats, SD. Getting back on track on the helmets, man. And I'm telling you, she's a really nice looking helmet, man. Really great looking helmet for SD Tiger. Well, we had two low boys and then we had two nice ones come out for you guys. See what we're going to get here. Hitting pretty even Steven, and with how many big boys are in there, guys, we can pretty much, as long as we keep bouncing back and forth a little bit, we should be good. Look good, the whole series there. Going to be Mr. SD. That is gonna ramp up that one, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks. Click those follow and subscribe buttons. Click the like button, thumbs up over on YouTube. Join the Facebook group. Have a good night.